بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. السلام عليكم. إلى القرآن the easy way. Lesson number 15b on rules of Ra. Ra is recited thin if it has kasra or double kasra. Like over here in rizqu, this Ra has kasra. That's why we must recite this Ra thin. Rizqu, rizqu, rizqu. Amri, amri, amri. Ajrin. Over here in ajrin, the Ra has double kasra on it. That's why we must recite this Ra thin. Ajrin, ajrin, ajrin. Sharrin, sharrin, sharrin. Ra is recited thin if the letter before it has kasra. Wasbir. Over here in wasbir, this ba has kasra and it is right before Ra. That's why we must recite this Ra thin. Wasbir, wasbir, wasbir. Hijr, hijr, hijr. Fir'auna, fir'auna, fir'auna. Rule number 4. Ra with shadda and fatha is recited thick even if there is kasra on the letter before it. Like over here in lirrahmani. This Ra is thick because there is shadda and fatha on it. Even though lam before it in lirrahmani has kasra on it. Lirrahmani, lirrahmani, lirrahmani. Sirran, sirran, sirran. So, we have just learned 2 rules also in this lesson. The first rule was that if Ra has kasra or double kasra on it, or if it is preceded with kasra on the letter before it, then it must be recited thin. Or if Ra has shadda and fatha on it, and even though the letter before it has kasra on it, we must recite it thick. And that is it. We are done for the lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.